Hi everyone, how are you? Just wanted to drop in here. Hello. I just thought, oh my God, it's a beautiful day, and I've been out walking the doggy with a friend. We're at the Oval, we're just doing laps and chatting away because it's drier than anywhere else around our roads. But what I wanted to do is just remind you about, is there anywhere in your week that you can carve out some special time just for you, like a routine, just for you, so you can focus on movement or whatever that activity is that you want to do, or that thing that you do every week? Is there time to make like a schedule or a routine that you can stick to? Because that's going to help you just, move yourself, move your body, get back into your body, give yourself that space of time rather than doing the routine for the house or routine for the kids or whatever. And maybe you can stack it, like today I had to do a few drop-offs with kids. So then as soon as I did that, I already had the dog with me, so I went straight to meet my friend, and we've had time talking and walking. And, I've managed to fit that into the time that I had straight off the back. So I either do shopping, grocery shopping at the same time if I've got to go into town and do the drop-offs. So I try and make everything fit, right? That's not always possible, clearly, especially if you're working 9 to 5 or you're working every day, or you're actually at your desk early till late, whatever it is, right? You're picking up kids, dropping them off. But I just wanted to remind you about that, is to how can you create and carve out some time just for you, set aside for that thing, right? Whether it be that walk every morning or every afternoon, or mornings are probably better for most people because you're already up and at 'em, and it's easier than at the end of the day when you're exhausted. But making time is really, really important for you, or it's not going to happen. Yeah. So like I said, where can you carve out a chunk? Maybe you don't work on 1 day a week, so that is the day you can go. And I know it's not easy, right? I know that even if you have a day off, it's a chore day. It's running around doing things, getting the shopping, getting all that stuff done. But just planning how you can organize your week, so somewhere along the line you have some extra time for you to go for that walk, even if it's 10 minutes while you're waiting for the kids at their sporting or whatever, right? So I'm just trying to think, how can we, if you want some help with that, let me know what works for you, what you've been doing, or if you'd like some ideas on how you can fit it into your week. But it has to be part of your life, because you're not going to have good health or energy if it's something you do when you've got time, right? We don't have the extra time. We've got to make the extra time, or it's just not going to happen. So where can we make that time for you work, right? It's got to work. Don't make it so that you have to frigging get up at 4 in the morning or 5 in the morning to do it, because I can tell you I will never do that. It has to fit in my life somehow, and that's really key with any kind of healthy activity or habit that you have. It's got to be so easy, because we're not going to do it otherwise, right? We've already got a lot on our plate. So we want to simplify and kind of make it work for us without making it too difficult, too long, too hard, because it's just not going to happen, right? If we don't put some thought into that and to plan that special time just for you. There is time, we just fill it with other things. So how can we prioritize your time and your health as part of your life, right? We're not saying it's separate. It's not separate. Your biz, your work, your family, it's not all separate, right? It's all got to come from energy that you have. So how can we get more energy? Yeah. Now, if you want some help with that too, like I've created what I call an ultimate reset plan. It's a free ebook, and it has pretty much a complete plan, a daily checklist. It has a workout. It has some recipe ideas. It has some mindset work as well, some superpowers to work on. It has just some ideas to totally change your perspective, totally change what you're doing. So if you'd love that free ebook, let me know. Okay, bye. Have a great day. Bye.